Hi everyone, welcome to my new vlog. Hope you all are safe and doing great. In my today's vlog, I would like to share with you a few of my Black Friday deals which I bought online from Amazon Prime. We got some good deals on them. I also bought a couple of products without any deals but which were really essential for me. So keep watching, stay tuned. I'll be sharing with you everything in detail. The first item which I would like to share with you is the Rode mic, which is NT USB, which has got versatile studio quality. It's a kind of USB microphone. This is compatible with Apple products like iPad, iMac and stuff. You can easily use them. The quality of the voice when you record with this Rode is really great. So I'm going to show you this unboxing video. When you just open this pack which I got from the Amazon, you have this cable and inside this you got this manual which gives the details, and now this is the Rode mic. So this is the Rode mic, and when I actually took it in my hands it was quite heavy. You got the stand which I took it out first, so we have to fix it to the stand and keep it in the position, the correct position, otherwise it falls off to the other side. So you need to be very careful while fixing it and using it. The quality is really good. It's much better when you actually record it through the Rode, because I was earlier doing it with my headphones and stuff. So in future, in the coming vlogs, I think you're gonna see greater quality. This is NT USB. With USB it's getting connected, and it's, as I said you earlier, it's very compatible with iPad and iMac and stuff, with all the Apple products. We actually got 20 pounds off on this product on Amazon. It was quite a decent offer, I felt, during this Black Friday. From a long time we were waiting to buy this and we never got any offers. So suddenly when we saw the price fall, we bought it right away. You can check it online on Amazon. And the next product which I bought is this MPOW dual locking system car mount. This is for the mobile phone. It's a mobile phone device. You have even for the cameras, but then we bought it for the phone. We got 30 to 35% off from Amazon. It's a kind of device wherein it looks like this. You can easily fix the bottom of this one on the dashboard of the car, and you can fix your mobile phone into this and record videos, and you can even take pictures of yourselves and your family members when you're driving, when you're going on a long drive and stuff. It's completely hands-free and it's very comfortable. It's quite handy. So do try this product as well. It's not very pricey, it's quite cheap, and you got the Black Friday deals. It's 30 to 35% off. So when you fix your mobile phone, it's like this. You can even tilt it and take a wide angle video and also photos. And the next product which I'd like to share with you is this Samsung memory card, which has got 128 GB storage space. You got a decent offer on Amazon even on this product, up to 35 to 40% discount they're giving, and I think 128 GB is quite a decent storage space. Whenever we go out with our families on long trips and stuff, we need this kind of storage. So do try these products on Amazon. And the next item which we bought is these Xbox controller grips for Aryan. He really wanted them for his controllers and we bought them from Argos. We nearly got 40 to 50% off on them. It was a very decent offer. They look like this when you unbox them, and when you actually put them on the controller, it gives a proper grip when you hold for a longer time while playing. It's very comfortable. And the last item which I'm going to share with you today is the dash cam from Nextbase. This one we bought it from Argos. We nearly got 45% off, and it's a really good offer. Jose was already using this product for a long time in his car and he had a good experience with it. So he wanted me to have this in my car. It records everything, and if there are any incidents, it stores in a protected folder, which is very essential. We have the cables, we have the camera, and also we have the sticky thing which we are going to stick it to the windshield or windscreen in the front. So these are the items which I bought this Black Friday for best deals from Amazon and also from Argos in UK. If you liked watching my video, give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please hit that subscribe button. It's completely free. Also feel free to activate the notification bell at the bottom so that you'll be notified whenever I upload my new videos. Thanks for watching. See you in another vlog. Bye.